Prolific Survey Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think all survey sites are scams, but the surprising truth about Prolific is that it's actually one of the most trusted research platforms online. Prolific is a website where universities and research institutions pay people to take part in academic studies. These are not random marketing surveys. They are real scientific research projects, often in psychology, health, technology, and social sciences. The biggest difference is pay quality. Prolific pays significantly more than most survey sites. Many studies pay between $6 and $15 per hour, and some pay even more. Payments are usually sent through PayPal within days, sometimes even hours. But most people get this wrong. They assume they will always have surveys available. In reality, studies are limited and often fill up quickly. If you don't check the site regularly or enable notifications, you may miss good opportunities. Another thing to know is honesty matters. Prolific tracks response quality. If you rush through studies or give careless answers, your account can be limited or removed. Prolific is best for people who want to earn extra money honestly in their spare time, especially students, stay-at-home parents, and freelancers. It's not a full-time income, but it's one of the most reliable side income platforms. The surprising truth is that Prolific respects your time. It's one of the few survey sites that actually treats participants fairly. Subscribe for more honest online earning reviews that keep you informed and protected.